If you're planning a move from a 3-bedroom house, one of the first questions you might have is how much it will cost. The truth is, the price can vary, but having a general idea can help you plan confidently and avoid surprises. For a local move, which usually means moving within the same city or nearby, the cost often ranges from a few $100s up to around $2,000. This is usually based on how many movers are needed and how long the job takes. The more belongings you have and the more stairs or walking distance involved, the longer the move may take. For a long-distance move, the cost is usually based on the total weight of your belongings and how far they need to travel. Moving a 3-bedroom house across state lines or across the country can range anywhere from a couple $1,000s to several thousand more, depending on distance and additional services like packing or storage. Packing services can add to your cost, but they can also save time and help protect your belongings. Doing your own packing can lower the price, but it requires more effort and planning. A helpful way to estimate your cost more accurately is to get quotes from the multiple moving companies. Each company may include different services, insurance options, and time estimates, so comparing them ensures you get the best value for your situation. Planning ahead and getting clear quotes can make your move smoother, more efficient, and easier on your budget. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com, and you can also email us at contactus@movers.com or call us at 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.